Heaven ain't a lot like Dixie, I just as soon stay home. If you ain't got some Dallas Cowboys like the dude down in Big D, you can send me to hell, and New York City would be about the same to me. I was one of the chosen few to be born in Alabama. I'm just like my daddy's son, I'm proud of who I am. I've been through some good women and shook old Jim Beam's hand. If I never see the pearly gates, I'm walking in the promised land. Heaven ain't a lot like Dixie, I don't want to go. If heaven ain't a lot like Texas, hey, I just as soon stay home. If you ain't got a grand ole opry like they do in Tennessee, you can send me to hell in New York City, it'd be about the same to me.